Choosing the right vitamin supplement. Millions of people take daily vitamin supplements to encourage good health. With all the different kinds of vitamins, minerals and herbs flooding the market these days, it's sometimes difficult to know what to choose. The first thing you need to know is that vitamin supplements are not a replacement for eating healthy, vitamin-rich whole foods. Food contains the nutrients your body needs in their very purest form, and interact with each other and your body in a way supplements cannot. However, taking vitamin supplements in addition to eating a vitamin-rich diet can be a great way to stay healthy and protect against damage from harmful free radicals. When shopping for vitamin supplements, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Always read the label. Reading labels is a wise practice you should do every time you shop for supplements. Labels can tell you more about dosages, ingredients, safety precautions, and other important information. Choose a reputable manufacturer. Always choose products with USP on the label. USP is the abbreviation for the US Pharmacopoeia, and the inclusion on the label means the product has been tested and checked for quality and safety. Watch the video to learn more. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Check the date. Expired vitamins can lose their potency. Always make sure there is an expiration date printed on the bottle, and never purchase or use expired supplements. Avoid giant doses. Do not choose supplements that offer extremely high doses of a particular vitamin or vitamins. Too much of anything can be harmful, sometimes even fatal. Store safely. Always keep your vitamins out of the reach of children. Store in a cool, dark, dry place, as heat and humidity can affect the integrity of the vitamins. Always do your homework. Research is always a good idea before deciding to take vitamin supplements. Consult with your doctor. Perform some internet searches or visit your local library. There is a wealth of resources available for you on the topic of vitamin supplements and the benefits they offer. Thank you for your time. Don't forget hit the subscribe button.